Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you another tips which is going to be about connection to SQL Server. While I was studying my MVC project, I always, um, how can I say, try to find lots of different information. Most of people, while they were creating SQL connection, they were using their SQL address in their DB context class. I'm not telling this is wrong, but there is another best way. Do not, I'm suggesting you do not put everything in your DB context class. Let's have a look now. I'm going to show you the most common things have been done for the people. And once your table has been created here, they always right here override and on configuring method options builder dot SQL server, and here is the addresses, blah 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 blah. This is the address of the SQL. But just imagine you adding here your model builder, you adding here your own configuration. If you can add here your entity configurations as well. So every time you add something in your DB context class, and it's going to be huge and it become out of control, so you can't control it. So do not use everything in your DB context class. So what we're going to do this, I'm going to make a comment now, and I create an extension. As you can see here, this is my context folder and class, and this is my extension, and I create an extension of my program CS file. Let's go into this extension, and this is how we create our extension class, and it's going to be static, and I'm going to create a new class which is iService collection, and I need a configuration as well. I create my static class and I create my static method, and I need, as you can see, we're going to add our DB context, and while we're adding our DB context, we can add our SQL server as well. So after adding your DB context, just go inside in use the option link queue method and call the use SQL server, and also you can, let me delete it, you can add your address here as well, blah blah blah. But there is another best way. We can call our connection string with this command line from our app setting JSON. This is my connection string, guys. This is the best method. Okay, so you can keep your connections. As you can see, my email settings here, my logging settings here. You can use your app settings to keep your settings. So let's get back to our extension. Once you created your extension here, do not forget to call this extension, repository extension, don't forget to call this in your main program CS file. And all done. You connected to your SQL server, guys, with the best practice method. If you like this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you want this kind of videos more, please drop some comment below the video and tell me what kind of video do you need more, and keep me informed. Take care of yourself, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you next video. Take care, bye bye.